So when the metaverse is up and running, that means a huge launch pad for the launch pad, right? Start the countdown. Welcome once again to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take a look at trending investment ideas and try to rocket them to the moon. I'm Head of Mission Control Aaron Davis, and this week we're diving headfirst into the Metaverse. With last week's major plans revealed by Facebook, many investors are scratching their heads as to what exactly is the Metaverse. Before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's launch ourselves into the Metaverse and see where it might take us. For those long following Investor Place, the idea of the Metaverse being the next big investment is nothing new. Senior investment analyst Luke Lango has been closely following and predicting the rise of the Metaverse since the Facebook, now calling itself appropriately Meta, second quarter earnings call when CEO Mark Zuckerberg used the term Metaverse about 20 times. In just a few short years, technology has seen the rise of virtual and augmented reality that now seems poised for the next step in a truly immersive digital world. If you've seen movies like Ready Player One or The Matrix, you already have a passing familiarity with the concept of a metaverse, a virtual world of endless possibilities that provides users with an immersive experience that, according to Facebook, has the potential to help unlock access to new creative, social, and economic opportunities. While Facebook or Meta is certainly the biggest company to announce its shift in priorities, the concept of the metaverse is much like the internet with no sole company owning it. Instead, a hub for users, creators, and businesses to seamlessly interact. This opens the door to a whole new sector of economic opportunities, with Facebook Meta making significant investments in talent with a plan to create 10,000 jobs to meet its metaverse goals. Yet Facebook is not alone, nor even the first to begin exploration into the metaverse. With the continued advancements of three-dimensional augmented reality and 5G enhanced connectivity, compounded with 2020's year of social distancing due to a worldwide pandemic, Facebook may be the biggest but hardly the first to the metaverse party. While companies like Microsoft and Facebook will certainly have developments in the metaverse, investing in companies that are already that big regardless of innovation will probably not move the needle meaningfully. Rather, the smaller companies creating and expanding the technologies needed to make and maintain this new frontier the ones worth investing in. According to IP.com, that has been following the metaverse trend for a while, some of the better investments in the inevitable metaverse are already here. Roblox is a company that claims to be the shepherds of the metaverse, already offering a wide range of virtual reality games that are created by users. The company saw substantial growth over the pandemic and continues to see daily active users in the second quarter at around 43.2 million, along with a $665.5 million in bookings and a $191.2 million in net cash. Data suggests that users love Roblox and that the company was able to effectively monetize its take on the metaverse. Unity Software is a company that helps developers create, run, and monetize games on a variety of platforms. With the company able to support 2D and 3D gaming elements, its well-known game engine, along with several high-profile releases, the company is poised to benefit from proliferation of the metaverse and is poised to rise above games into a new foundation within this new space. And finally, Autodesk seems to be shifting its priorities like Facebook. The 3D modeling company responsible for a host of 3D design softwares like AutoCAD and Fusion 360 is currently repositioning its products for the metaverse. Businesses aren't the only potential ways that the metaverse can benefit investors. Contrasting the idea of big businesses running the metaverse, proponents of the metaverse but critics of big businesses running it argue for a decentralized platform as the metaverse continues to take shape. Many believe that by bringing the metaverse onto the blockchain would allow users to govern their own interactions and allow for a more tailored experience. As a result, investors are beginning to gain exposure to the concept of metacoins, cryptocurrencies tied exclusively to the metaverse. By investing in these coins, buyers are giving their cosign to a decentralized metaverse industry. IP.com assistant news writer Brendan Rearick suggests that Decentraland, Anchor, and Axie Infinity as metacoins that can expose buyers to a whole new class of cryptocurrency. Within the Decentraland network, users can get the full metaverse experience now through a network operated by users, offering social interaction and entertainment through events like its Metaverse Festival. Axie provides an NFT-based video game experience that has users breed unique creatures and fight against other real-life players. The game offers in-game real estate and allows users to generate income simply by playing, allowing the metaverse to become a way to earn a living. And with Anchor, the network is interested in pushing Web3 development, the movement that is pushing to migrate the internet as we know it to a blockchain ecosystem. While there are other cryptos that will certainly enter the metaverse space as it continues to gain traction, Rearick suggests that these to be the current best at fighting for a decentralized metaverse. Yet perhaps one of the best investments that was seen last week has nothing to do with the metaverse, at least not directly. After Mark Zuckerberg's unveiling of the new name Meta, the stock Meta Materials, a material science company based in Nova Scotia, Canada, surged more than 25% and became one of the top trending stocks on Yahoo Finance. This isn't the first instance that Meta Materials has seen a spike, as this past spring saw it treated as a meme stock and saw the price at an all-time high of $21.76 on June 21st. Unfortunately, even with the market increase from the Metaverse announcement, MMAT was still 69% below its close on June 21st. While Facebook, again now Meta, will trade under the new ticker MVRS, Meta Materials will most likely correct itself, as many outlets are attributing this name confusion and expect the price to reverse. One thing is clear: just as we made the shift from analog to digital, so now are we about to shift from the digital to the meta. The metaverse will provide whole new opportunities in how we interact and engage with one another. But what do you think? Is the metaverse the next big thing? Will Facebook, now Meta, lead the way or rush to play catch up? And what other companies are you interested in that are involved in the metaverse? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this, head on over to investorplace.com, where we release articles daily. And as always, check back with us here at the Launchpad, where we will continue to look for trends like the metaverse, and as always, try to shoot for the moon.